What you're charged with is indecency with a child contact. That's a second-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. In 2022, CR 1107, State of Texas versus Angel Cantu. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Michael Villarreal, the state.
For the defense?
Apostle Major for the defendant.
All right. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. I mean, he's bringing shame to some people. Hey, it's not you, Mr. Villarreal. You always dress to impress.
I know I'm not dressed the best today, Judd, but I'm trying.
No. All right. Counsel, I'm showing you the discovery acknowledgement. Did you review that discovery with your client, and have you received all the discovery?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Cantu, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, the state's just proceeding on count 1 and waiving and banning count 2.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Cantu, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand what you're charged with is indecency with a child contact? That's a second-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea bargain agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement you were giving up those rights? And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case? Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses to this offense?
Yes, sir.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, Your Honor.
Mr. Cantu, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargain agreement?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea bargain agreement, the state is proceeding on count 1. There's a $1,500 fine. And Brent, I'm sorry. I realize I'm talking very fast. All right. So, that's just me warming you up. But now I'm about to slow it down.
Go do something.
I'm not going to be like the turtle on the cartoon where he's talking very slow. All right. The state recommends deferred adjudication, Chapter 62 compliance, and there's to be no contact with the complainant. Do you understand that? Is that the plea bargain agreement defense?
Yes, Judge.
State.
Yes, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney?
Yes,
Did you
ma'am.
understand it? And did you sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. The state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 10 years and there be sex offender supervision. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged in count 1, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. At this time, state offers states exhibit number 1 and its attachments.
No objection.
Mr. Cantu, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
The court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. The court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, but the court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
State would waive PSI.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And I'm assuming the complainant in this case is aware of the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, we spoke with mom this morning, and she's understanding and agrees with the state's recommendations.
Okay. All right. Anything you want to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, Your Honor. My client, Angel Cantu, he is severely autistic. His autism was not diagnosed early in his life, and I think that's kind of the root of some of his issues. He is diagnosed bipolar. He's 100% on disability, Your Honor. He's only made it to the 9th grade. His great-grandparents and grandparents are here today supporting him. That's his support system that is going to help guide him should the court accept the plea agreement.
Okay. How old is his great grandparents?
I'm not sure how old they are, Your Honor, but they're present.
82.
Are you all ready to take this on?
Yes.
Okay. All right. I just want to make sure they're ready to take things on with you. All right. Now I understand the agreement. All right. Mr. Cantu, here's the thing. I understand that everybody has issues in their life, but you're going to have to work hard not to have anything like this occur again. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So you have your great grandparents here, which is unusual. Usually people don't have their great grandparents. So I'm sure you've heard what I've told everybody else. When you live with your great grandparents, their rules go.
Yes, ma'am.
And did they dress you for court this morning? Tell you what to wear?
They provided.
Good job, great grandparents. They did an excellent job. All right. So I take back what I said about everybody else because his grandparents helped him, his great grandparents. All right. This is what the court is going to do. The court will follow your agreement, sentence you to 10 years deferred adjudication. Probation, is Mick available for him based upon what he's charged with or no?
Double check, Your Honor.
All right. We'll see if the Mick supervision, not really supervision, but I want to make sure they're aware of his mental health issues.
Yes.
So I'm going to put Mick on here, but I realize he's going to be supervised by the sex offender unit. I just want to make sure that they're aware. So we're going to do Mick and the sex offender unit for supervision. There's to be no contact with the complainant. And I'm not going to say the name on the record, but that's the person who's in the indictment. And I believe you know who the complainant is.
Yes, Your Honor.
There is to be a $1,500 fine, 62 registration. There is going to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. So if it's some reason you can't Zoom, which they're probably going to want you to be in person, just speak with them and they'll go over that with you, okay? There's going to be regular UAs. Are we going to have any drug issues with you?
No.
Okay.
Just his prescriptions, Your Honor. But
Okay.
they're
Make sure that you give probation your prescription medication as far as the list of everything that you're taking and provide proof.
Yes.
All right. And I'm going to want proof of employment or proof of disability. So if you provide the proof of the disability, then you won't have to get employment. But I'm going to give you 30 days to get that to probation. So great grandparents, he needs to provide them proof that he is disabled, and he needs to give that to probation. And he also needs to give a list of his prescriptions to probation. So proof of disability. And I'm going to require him to reside with your grandparents, okay? So I'll put you to reside with the great grandparents or grandparents, since you have both here. Is there anything else that he needs? Oh, I'm going to do field visits. And that'll be 2 times per month. I'm not going to add community service hours because there are no community service hours for him. All right, probation, is there anything else he needs? All right, is there anything else you need from the court? All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it? All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, we can go off the record. It's going to be very important that you stay in contact with probation, okay? All right, good luck to you.